guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do something different. I am going to be doing a makeup tutorial using the Urban Decay Born to Run palette and the James Charles X Morphe palette, which are the only two palettes I physically own, so go with and get with the program. Before I start the vid, I want you guys to go like and subscribe and comment on this video and tell me what you think. Tell me anything else you want me to do, crazy colors you want me to try with this makeup tutorial thing. So I'm going to do my eyes right now. I already have a layer of foundation and concealer and powder on my face. So I'm going to go with my Urban Decay Born to Run palette in the shade As Good As Gone, because it's a darker brown color and I look better in the neutral, warm neutral colors. So I'm going to go in, and I'm going to go in with the corner of my eye, and I'm going to blend it out. And don't worry, at the end we will fix all of this because it does have a lot of excess powder coming out of the brush because I didn't tap it off. So that's what it should look like. I'm just gonna brush out the excess that we don't need. So that's what that should look like. So I'm gonna go in with a shader brush and I'm going to take the color Rift, this one right here, and I'm going to pack it on my inner eyelid, right, like this. We're gonna pack it to make it look good, and then we're gonna kind of blend it in with that darker brown color so it blends. So there's that. And then I'm going to take a smudge brush. I'm going in with the color Ignite right here. Right here. It's a nice pretty brown bronze color. And I'm going to put that on the inner corner of my eye, like that. And then I'm going to take the shader brush that I used. I'm going to kind of just blend the two colors together. If I have to, I'm going to grab more of the Rift color from the palette. And I'm going to put a little more on and continue to blend to make it look nice and pretty. So next, I'm going to take this color. It's Stranded right here. It's called Stranded. It's a lighter color. Like a lighter gold color, I would say. So I'm going to take a little bit of that on the end of the brush that I just used, and I'm going to put it in the corner of my eye to make it a little bit lighter there. As you can see, it's kind of lighter. Then, last but not least, because you want to fix the wing of your eye, I'm going to take the color right here. It's called Weekender, and it's a light tan color, so it should match. It matches my skin tone. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to blend it out kind of at the bottom, smoking out my eye. And if you wanted to, you could take a little bit of Rift and go on the underneath of your eye. But that personally makes me look like I have a black eye, so I'm not going to do it. And I'm going to go in. I'm going to do my other eye and I'll be right back. Now that I have both of my eyes done, I am going to apply mascara and black eyeliner. And it'll give me a little pop of color. Since my eyes are green, the orange and the green and the black will make contrast and it'll look great. So I'm going to go do that and then I'll be right back again. Okay. We have Avon's waterproof mascara because this girl's a softball player, so she needs that waterproof mascara when she's out on that field. So I applied my mascara. We look good. What else are we forgetting? Oh wait, we're forgetting the highlighter, and that's pretty much it. It's highlighter. I'm going to do my highlighter, which I use the James Charles X Morphe palette, which is one of my favorites. I love him, and I love it. It's a him. Just because. I don't know. Don't ask. But I'm going to use Face, this color right here. It's called Face. And I use it on my cheekbones and on my nose and a little bit on my cupid's bow. So I'm taking my Wet n Wild angled brush because I'm a poor girl and I don't have money to get proper brushes. I'm going to take it and I'm going to go like that. I'm going to go in on the other side as well. Okay, so last but not least, I'm going to do a liquid lip, and it's a nude color because a nude color and a bold eye looks great together. You don't want to have a bold lip and a bold eye. You want to have one or the other. So I'm taking my lipstick from NARS in the shade Swing, and I'm going to apply it on my lips. And yes, I'm basic. I don't use lip liner because it's stupid. And that is today's final look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe down below. What else I should do, what colors, like I said earlier in the beginning of the video. Let me know. Let a girl know. She needs to know. And if you want, I can do a prom video since the coronavirus did end up canceling my graduation and prom. So I can do that. I have a prom dress and I can do a whole makeover. Alright guys, so that is it for my makeup today. I hope you guys like it. I will add a montage. So like, comment, and subscribe down below what you think I could do better, what you think I could do in general with colors. What other colors would go great? I love the yellow with my eye. If I have a picture, I'll insert it right here. I hope you like this video. Eva out.